Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a digital marketing plan with a SEMrush detailed guide step by step clear. To create a digital marketing plan using SEMrush, start by logging into your SEMrush account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial to begin exploring the tool. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will find various tools available to enhance your marketing strategy. Begin by conducting market research. Use the Market Explorer tool to analyze your industry and identify major competitors. Enter your domain or a competitor's domain into the search bar. This will provide you with valuable insights into market trends, audience demographics, and competitor strategies. Next, develop buyer personas based on the data you collected. Create detailed profiles of your target audience, including their interests, challenges, and goals. Now, it's time to perform a keyword analysis. Utilize the Keyword Magic tool to discover high-ranking keywords relevant to your business. Input seed keywords related to your products or services. Sort through the keyword suggestions based on metrics like search volume and keyword difficulty. Select a mix of short-tail and long-tail keywords to target in your plan. After identifying keywords, conduct a site audit using the Site Audit tool. Enter your website URL and configure the audit settings. This will help identify technical issues that could impact your site's performance. Review the audit results and prioritize fixes based on their potential impact on SEO. Next, focus on content creation. Use the SEO Content Template tool to generate content ideas based on your target keywords. This tool helps you understand how to create optimized content that appeals to both users and search engines. Once you have your content plan, set up a content calendar. Outline when and how often you will publish new content. Consistent publishing will help build authority and engage your audience. Next, use SEMrush's social media toolkit to craft a social media strategy. This tool allows you to schedule posts and analyze performance across various platforms. Identify the best times to post based on your audience's engagement metrics. Now, develop a link building strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.